This video is to show you how to install Clarifi onto a Windows computer. You should have first received this form from somebody at Clarifi, or if it is for a student account, they will have received something similar over their email with their username and their password. If you are a coach or educator with a trial account, your username will be a test account with @tryclarify.com as the username, and the password will be here in the password section. To start out, please copy that password and save it for later. What you're going to do next is you will click this drive to open up a file. A Google Drive that will look like this. You'll navigate to the Windows desktop here, and you're going to select the one that says zip at the bottom. It may look like this for you, or like the way I was doing before. You're going to right click and then click download here at the bottom. This may pop up for you, click download anyway. This is loading in the bottom left here. It could take a few minutes depending on the speed of your computer and your internet access. I then open up this file, and I'm going to click the extract all button here. This could take up to a couple of minutes, but it is pulling the file out and installing it onto your computer. All right, so we now have the file open. We're going to double click on this file here. Down here, you'll see the Clarifi connector. It should have a little purple dragon next to it. The file type is called application. And what I'm going to have you do here is double click. And that's going to pop up something like this. You're going to hit more info and run anyway. From there, you're going to copy and paste your password into the account, and you'll be able to log in. Once you log in, it will look something like this. So this is where you'll put your username and your password, and you'll log in. If you do need to exit this time, you can press Control-W, and it will take you back here. It's important when you're entering in your username and password to use correct capitalization in both username and password. Once you've installed and logged into your account, the final step is to go here, and you're going to press. Once you right click and highlight, first left click, and then to highlight, and then you're going to press copy as path. Minimize, go to your desktop. You're going to click new shortcut. You're going to paste in here. You can double click on this and it will open back up. And this would log in once you've already logged into your account. If you go and press Windows Shift down, this will make it so you can access your toolbar, and you can click Pin to Taskbar, and that will make it so you can now access your Clarifi account very easily and quickly. I hope this was helpful for understanding how to install Clarifi on a Windows desktop.